Hello friends, my dear students and parents. With the recent decision by CBSE, the waiting time for students is now over because CBSE has decided to cancel all pending examinations to be held between 1st of July 2020 to 15th of July. It means all the examinations for class 10 and 12 stand cancelled, but with some options. Now the important part is how assessment will be done for the students who have appeared in 2020 March examinations for class 10 or class 12. So they have given some important information regarding assessment. Those students who have appeared in all the subjects, they will get the assessment as per the old norms, because as per their performance in their examinations, they will get the score. For those students who have not able to complete all the examination subjects, but more than 3 subjects they have appeared in the examinations, in that case, the best of 3 subjects, suppose if they attempted 5 subjects, then the best of 3 where they got the highest mark within all the 5 subjects, the average of that will be put in the remaining pending examination subject, and accordingly the assessment will be done. For the students who have appeared in just 3 examinations, subjects, for them best of 2 will be the average for the remaining examination. For those who have not yet been able to cover even 3 subjects in the examination, for them internal assessment conducted by school before the examinations will be the basis of the assessment. For class 12, the same rule will follow, with the option that any student can actually go in for to appear for the examination at a further date decided by CBSE, when time will be conducive for holding such exams. Because of COVID, it is currently not possible to conduct any exam, so they have opted or decided for this assessment. So it is important that some students, many students in some part of Delhi were not able to attempt even 3 subjects in the examinations. They will be given the option to appear for in class 10, to appear in the next date when CBSE will declare the date for holding such examinations. So it is very important for every parents who were anxious about their child exam results. So yes, CBSE has decided there will not be any delay further, and 15th of July they have decided to declare the exam results, and with this assessment in order, and every school, every parent, every student has to now understand that this is the way assessment will be done in this unprecedented situation. And I think as what CBSE has done now of late, they have decided correctly, and with this situation and the rising concern for COVID-19, they have actually done a wonderful job by giving the assessment, and a sigh of relief for all the students who still waited for the exam to over. So guys, I hope that you will like this information. If you like this information, please share it with your parents, with your friends and relatives who may be in need of such information for their child or for their students. Thank you so much. Thank you.